before you watch the video. Subscribe the channel now. Yes, right now. BMW says it was spurred on by customer demand to revive the 8 Series and shake up its luxury range. The German brand will introduce the new 8 Series in the second half of this year. So far, the vehicle has been previewed in 2 and 4-door guises, including in 2 M8 variants. While we spoke with BMW head of product and brand communications at BMW, Eckhard Wand, at the Geneva Motor Show, we asked him why BMW decided to create a new 8 Series. The decision was mainly driven by customer demand, and it is part of our luxury offensive. It was a strategic decision made by Harald Kruger to increase our footprint in the luxury segment. The key milestone of this strategic initiative is the positioning of the 8 Series as a true luxury car and to enter the luxury segment too with their 8 Series Coupe 1 revealed. The original BMW 8 Series was built for a decade from 1989 but ultimately discontinued due to low sales. However, since 1999, the industry has changed drastically and there is once again huge demand for luxury sedans and coupes. This is where the 8 Series comes in. Production of the 8 Series will take place in Dingolfing, Germany, and it will initially be offered in the US and European markets. An 8 Series Cabriolet is also in the product plan. The only BMW 6 Series sold moving forward will be the Gran Turismo.